reset procedure on all Sonos devices is quite similar. However, as they doesn't have the same buttons, it can vary from a device to another. The first step is the same for all speakers. Disconnect the power cord. In the case of the Move, you have to remove it from its base and keep the power button press and hold until the light on top of the speakers goes off. Then, find the reset button. On newer devices, it's the infinity button. On some devices, like my Sub Gen 2, the reset button is the one with two arrows pointing each other's. And on the first generation devices, it was the play pause button, which was also illustrated with the mute logo if you really have one of the very first Sonos speakers. So, once the device is off, press this button and hold it while reconnecting the power cord. In the case of the Move, press and hold the button while replacing it back on its base. Keep the button pressed until the light blinks from white to orange. And there you go, the reset process is engaged and you can now release the button. The reset will be complete as soon as the light will be blinking green, meaning that the product is now ready to be reconfigured. If you would like to see the reset procedure for your very own speaker, look in the description, I made a video for each of them. So this is it, thank you for watching, I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below, maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description, and you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!